What's up, guys? Storm's in the kitchen. Well, today I'm trying. As y'all can see, that's a McDonald's box. So I'm trying the McDonald's Chicken Big Mac. I got that. Mrs. Stump has got a regular Big Mac. Also bought a basket of fries, or as I call them, potato sticks from McDonald's. All this together, this should be a Cheap Eats Wednesday, but it's not. But all this together wasn't but $10.45. Why, you ask? Because we had a coupon. You always got to use them coupons. Or as they say in America, coupons. You always got to use them coupons.
Don't forget about the drink.
Yep. I went by Wendy's because they're having any size soft drink or any size drink for $1. So I got that for $1, and then I got 2 senior sweet teas for Mrs. Stunt because they're free. So overall, this is $11.45 meal. And that's not bad. Use your coupons. I ain't gonna take all this apart. If y'all watch YouTube, you know what it is. Instead of beef patty, there's a chicken patty. There's a little bit of lettuce and a special sauce. There's a slab of cheese on this one, some lettuce, and some more sauce, and another chicken patty.
Looks kind of dry to me.
It does look kind of dry, but now there's a lot of salt on here. So, and I've heard the chicken tastes kind of like the Chicken McNugget, so we're fixing to find out. Did you want to buy it?
Thank you.
You can hear Stump ass. I got her in another room, but she's still crying for some food. It's not really dry. But for me, you see it. For me, it tastes more like their regular chicken patties. Don't taste like no Chicken McNugget. It is a little messy. But it does taste good. And with them chicken patties, it actually feels like you get more for your money than them little thin medallion size hamburger patties they put on Big Mac. They're pretty good. We're supposed to have had a new refrigerator by today, but we ain't got a new refrigerator yet. supposed to deliver it Tuesday. And they kept saying, it's on its way, it's on its way, it's on its way, it's on its way. And then when it got 8 o'clock
PM.
they said, we're sorry we missed you, but we can't deliver it. Got a hold of them the next morning. And then they said it'd be Saturday. I canceled it from them. They ain't dealing with Home Depot anytime soon. So now I got another refrigerator from Lowe's that's supposed to be delivered Saturday. Don't know if they'll make it or not. The only problem with this is the same problem with the Big Mac. The buns slide around, the chicken slides around. But if it's a regular Big Mac, it does the same thing. But it is quite tasty. I like this.
Don't like it too much. It's only here for a limited time.
Yeah. And the French fries / potato sticks taste like McDonald's. Nothing special about them. But you get this big old, what'd you say it was?
Basket, they call
Basket for, I think that's
it. $4.49.
$4.49. They give you a pretty good bit of them, these potato sticks / French fries. But this is $1 from the Wendy's right now. And that's bigger than what McDonald's will give you for $1. And it tastes pretty good. And I kind of doubt if I drink all that, but this chicken Big Mac, you should try this. I think it's pretty good. I haven't done my chicken scale in a long time. But on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it a solid 9. So on a scale of 1 to 10, it's a solid 9 on the chicken cluck scale. Bok bok, 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 bok bok. 9. It's that good. You know, the age-old question, what came first, the chicken or the egg? Well, the chicken can't happen without being an egg. The egg can't happen without a chicken. So really, what it comes down to is who cares? That's the way the stumper looks at it. Which one do you think came first?
I don't know. Like you said, you can't have one without the other, so I don't know.
Right.
It says God invented all the animals. I would say that chicken had to come first.
Yeah, it makes
From a
sense.
logical standpoint, since he made all the animals, the
Yeah.
birds.
And since two of everything was on the ark, and then the rest of the world was washed away, so to speak, the chicken still came first. That makes sense?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's pretty good. Pretty good. I suggest you try it. Like I say, it don't taste like no chicken McNugget to me, but that's just my opinion. Appreciate all y'all watching. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, the thumbs up button. It helps my algorithms or whatever it is. It lets YouTube know that people's watching. So I'm gonna close this out, finish this last bite. Feels pretty good. Still got another fast food I'm gonna try if I do it in time. The one with the purple Whopper. It's really ugly, but I might do that next week. Who knows? But we will see y'all on the flip side with another Stump Eats video. Y'all have a good weekend. Hope you have good weather. Got anything to say?
My Big Mac was good too.
Her Big Mac was good too. And she's not talking about me. She's talking about the hamburger. So, we will check y'all on the next one. Bye-bye. Oops. Bye-bye.